Have you ever wondered if you might have low testosterone or a low sperm count? This question is more important than you might think. Understanding the signs of these conditions can be crucial to maintaining your overall health and wellness. It's all about knowledge and awareness, about knowing what to look for and when to seek help. The first step towards addressing any health problem is recognizing the signs. Today we're talking about 20 signs that could indicate low testosterone or low sperm count. Before we move on to more signs, let's discuss some home remedies that might help with these symptoms. It's always important to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new health regimen. But these are some general tips that can boost your overall health and potentially improve your testosterone levels. First off is regular exercise. Physical activity is known to boost testosterone levels, with weightlifting and high-intensity interval training being particularly effective. Regular exercise not only improves your physical health but also boosts your mood and energy levels, which can counteract some of the effects of low testosterone. Next, consider your diet. Consuming a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, healthy fats, and low in processed carbohydrates can help maintain healthy hormone levels. Foods like lean meats, fish, eggs, nuts, and avocados are all great choices. Remember, what you put into your body directly affects how it functions, including hormone production. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Quality sleep is essential for hormone production, including testosterone. Lack of sleep can disrupt your body's hormone production, leading to lower testosterone levels. Make sure you're getting 7-9 hours of sleep per night, and if you're having trouble sleeping, it might be worth discussing with your healthcare provider. These are just a few remedies. Keep in mind that everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. Stay tuned for more signs and more remedies in the next part of this video. Let's start with the first 5 signs. The first sign to look out for is mood changes. You might notice that you're feeling more irritable than usual, or perhaps you're experiencing bouts of depression or anxiety. These mood swings can be subtle, but they're often a direct result of low testosterone levels, which play a crucial role in regulating mood and mental capacity. Next up is fatigue. If you're constantly feeling tired despite getting enough sleep, low testosterone could be to blame. This hormone is responsible for maintaining energy levels, so when it's in short supply, it can leave you feeling drained and lethargic even after a full night's rest. The third sign is a decreased sex drive. Testosterone is a major player in sexual desire, and a drop in its levels can lead to a reduced interest in sexual activity. It's normal for your libido to fluctuate over time, but a persistent lack of interest could be a sign that your testosterone levels are lower than they should be. Sign number 4 is difficulty with erection. Testosterone stimulates receptors in the brain to produce nitric oxide, a molecule that helps trigger erections. When testosterone levels are low, it can make it difficult to achieve or maintain an erection. Remember, occasional erectile dysfunction can happen for a variety of reasons, but if it's a recurring issue, it may be worth investigating further. Lastly, we have reduced muscle mass. Testosterone plays a key role in building and maintaining muscle mass. If you're noticing a decline in your strength or muscle mass, particularly if you're maintaining the same exercise and diet routine, it could be due to low testosterone levels. These are just the first 5 signs. Stay tuned for more. Continuing with our home remedies, let's dive into number 6. Limit alcohol and caffeine. While enjoying a cold beer or a cup of coffee in moderation is generally fine, excessive consumption of alcohol or caffeine can negatively impact your testosterone levels. It's always best to consume these in moderation. Moving on to number 7, stay hydrated. Dehydration can affect a variety of bodily functions, including the production of testosterone. So, make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. It's not only good for your overall health, but it can also help maintain your testosterone levels. Now, on to number 8, reduce stress. Chronic stress can have a significant impact on your hormone balance, including your testosterone levels. Finding healthy ways to manage stress, like practicing mindfulness, meditation, or even just taking a walk in nature, can help keep your testosterone levels in check. Remember, these remedies are not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional if you're experiencing symptoms or health problems. Stay tuned for more signs of low testosterone in our next segment. Let's dive right into our 6th sign, increased body fat. Now, it's not just about piling on the pounds. Men with low testosterone may notice a specific increase in body fat, particularly around the waist. This is because testosterone plays a key role in regulating fat distribution and storage in the body. If you're eating right and exercising, yet still noticing an unusual increase in body fat, it might be a sign of low testosterone levels. Next up, we have decreased bone mass. Testosterone is vital for maintaining bone mineral density. When levels of this hormone are low, men may experience a gradual loss of bone mass. Over time, this can lead to osteoporosis, a condition that makes bones more fragile and susceptible to fractures. If you've noticed that your bones seem weaker, or that you're more prone to fractures, it's worth considering whether low testosterone might be the cause. Our 8th sign is sleep disturbances. Testosterone levels in men naturally rise during sleep and decrease during the day. But if you have low testosterone, this cycle can be disrupted, leading to insomnia or other sleep disturbances. If you're finding it hard to get a good night's sleep, despite being tired, it might be a sign that your testosterone levels are off balance. Next, we have reduced semen volume. Testosterone plays a crucial role in semen production, and a decrease in this hormone can lead to a decrease in semen volume. This is an important sign, especially for men trying to conceive, as a lower volume of semen can mean fewer sperm and thus a lower chance of conception. Finally, we're touching on a sign that's often top of mind when men think about low testosterone: hair loss. While it's normal to lose some hair as we age, a sudden or significant loss of hair could be a sign of low testosterone. This is because testosterone plays a key role in the production of hair. If you've noticed an unusual amount of hair loss, it might be worth checking your testosterone levels. Knowing these signs can help you recognize if you might have low testosterone or a low sperm count. Let's dive deeper into our toolbox of home remedies. Our 11th remedy is to avoid processed foods. These foods often contain additives, preservatives, and other chemicals that can disrupt your hormone balance. Opt for fresh, whole foods instead. They're not only healthier but also provide the nutrients your body needs to produce testosterone. Moving on to the 12th remedy, it's crucial to maintain a healthy weight. Overweight and obesity are closely linked with low testosterone levels. Regular exercise combined with a balanced diet can help manage your weight and boost your testosterone levels. Next, we're focusing on sugar for our 13th remedy. High sugar intake can lead to weight gain and a hormonal imbalance which can reduce testosterone levels. Try to limit your sugar intake and replace sugary snacks with healthier alternatives like fruits and nuts. Our 14th remedy is to ensure you're getting enough sleep. Testosterone levels naturally rise during sleep, so poor sleep patterns or lack of sleep can significantly affect your testosterone levels. Try to establish a regular sleep routine and create a sleep-friendly environment. Finally, our 15th home remedy is stress management. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your hormone balance, including testosterone. Techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and yoga can help manage stress levels and thus potentially increase testosterone levels. Remember, these remedies can help manage symptoms, but they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you're experiencing any symptoms of low testosterone, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional. Pressing on, the 11th sign is difficulty concentrating. Now, we're not talking about the occasional brain fog after a sleepless night. We're referring to a persistent struggle to focus, making daily tasks feel like a Herculean effort. This could be due to low testosterone levels, which play a vital role in maintaining mental clarity. Moving on to the 12th sign, we have hot flashes. Yes, you heard it right. Although most commonly associated with menopause in women, hot flashes can also be a sign of low testosterone in men. They can feel like a sudden wave of heat sweeping through your body, often accompanied by sweating or a flushed face. Next, we come to the 13th sign, which is decreased testicle size. Testosterone is responsible for maintaining the size of your testicles. When levels are low, you may notice a significant reduction in their size. It's important to note that this is different from temporary shrinkage that can occur due to cold temperatures or physical exertion. The 14th sign is infertility. Testosterone plays a critical role in sperm production. Therefore, low levels can lead to a decrease in sperm count, and subsequently, fertility issues. If you and your partner are having difficulty conceiving, it may be worth discussing testosterone levels with your doctor. Finally, the 15th sign is gynecomastia, which is the enlargement of breast tissue in men. This could be due to an imbalance between testosterone and estrogen. When testosterone levels are low, estrogen can dominate, leading to the development of breast tissue. These signs might be less known, but they are equally important. It's crucial to remember that these symptoms can also stem from other medical conditions. If you're experiencing any of these signs, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. Your health is your wealth, and no stone should be left unturned when it comes to maintaining it. Finally, let's discuss the last set of home remedies that could potentially help with low testosterone and sperm count issues. Remember, our bodies are unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. Always consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your lifestyle. Starting with our 16th remedy, we have quit smoking. We all know that smoking has a multitude of negative effects on our health. But did you know that smoking can also affect your hormone production? Studies have shown that men who smoke have lower levels of testosterone. So, if you're a smoker struggling with some of the signs we've discussed, quitting might be a step in the right direction. Next up, we have limit exposure to endocrine disruptors. These are chemicals that can interfere with your hormonal balance. They can be found in certain plastics, pesticides, and even personal care products. Try to limit your exposure to these potential hormone disruptors by choosing products that are free from harmful chemicals. Our 18th remedy is regular exercise. Regular physical activity can boost your testosterone levels and improve your mood and energy levels. Whether it's hitting the gym, going for a run, or even doing yoga, find an activity you enjoy and stick with it. Moving on to the 19th remedy, we have balanced diet. Consuming a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, healthy fats, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help maintain your overall health, including your hormone levels. Lastly, we have regular checkups. Regular health checkups can help detect any health issues early. If you've been experiencing any of the signs we've discussed, don't hesitate to bring them up during your next doctor's appointment. Remember, these are just remedies and not a cure. Always seek professional medical advice if you're experiencing any of these symptoms. Taking care of your health should always be a priority, and it's never too late to start making healthier choices. Stay tuned for the final 5 signs of low testosterone and sperm count in the next segment. Finally, let's discuss the last 5 signs. These are signs that are often overlooked or dismissed as simple inconveniences of daily life. However, they might be pointing to a much bigger issue, like low testosterone or a low sperm count. Let's kick things off with decreased motivation. It's not just about feeling a little bit lazy or unwilling to get out of bed on a Monday morning. It's a persistent lack of drive, a constant feeling of being drained, even when you've had a good night's sleep. It's like the zest for life has been squeezed out of you and you're just going through the motions. If you've been feeling this way, it's worth considering whether it could be a sign of low testosterone. Next, we have increased irritability. Now, we all have our bad days, but if you find yourself getting irritable or angry more often than not, it might be a sign of something more. Testosterone helps regulate mood, so a drop in levels could lead to mood swings or increased irritability. The third sign we're discussing is anemia, a condition where your body lacks enough healthy red blood cells to carry adequate oxygen to your body's tissues. It can make you feel tired and weak. While there are many causes of anemia, one of them could be low testosterone. Fourth on our list is reduced body hair. Testosterone plays a key role in hair production, so if you've noticed a significant decrease in body hair, it could be due to low testosterone levels. Last but not least, we have memory problems. This doesn't necessarily mean you're becoming forgetful, but if you're having a harder time remembering things, it could be related to low testosterone. Some studies have suggested a link between low testosterone and cognitive issues, including memory problems. So there you have it, folks. From decreased motivation to memory problems, these are the final 5 signs that could indicate a problem with your testosterone or sperm count. Remember, it's always best to seek professional advice if you're experiencing any of these symptoms. These are the 20 signs that could indicate low testosterone or a low sperm count. So there you have it, the 20 signs of low testosterone or a low sperm count. Now, let's take a quick stroll back through what we've covered today. We've discussed signs that range from physical symptoms such as fatigue, decreased muscle mass, and increased body fat to emotional and mental changes like depression, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. We've also touched on more intimate issues like a decrease in libido and erectile dysfunction. It's important to remember that while these are all potential signs of low testosterone or a low sperm count, they can also be symptoms of a variety of other health conditions. It's not about jumping to conclusions, but about being aware and understanding that something might be off balance in your body. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's crucial to seek medical advice. Only a healthcare provider can provide a definitive diagnosis and guide you on the appropriate course of action. It's not about self-diagnosing, but about taking charge of your health, being proactive, and not ignoring potential warning signs. Remember, your health is more than just not being sick. It's about feeling your best physically and mentally. It's about having the energy and drive to live your life to the fullest. And sometimes that might mean seeking help and taking steps to improve your health. Remember, knowing the signs is the first step. Don't hesitate to seek medical advice if you're experiencing these symptoms. Your health is worth it.